90后外科医生的一天。
没完没了的值班。
One day I'm gonna move away, not gonna do what my dad did. Yeah, one day I'm gonna go to Spain, but I guess I got distracted. Guess I'll add it to the list of my maybes and what ifs, and the things I wish I said, and the things I wish I didn't. One day I'm gonna move away, but I'm not sure if I'm there yet. But what if it's down to the last grain of sand in the hourglass, faster than all of my plans ever come to pass? Only God knows when it's finally time. What if I had one day before I die?